Hey guys, so I'm going to post pictures today, videos, boomerangs, things. So I've been having this idea that was inspired by this picture by Raven Elise. Like this idea of having like little boomerangs while I'm playing a song. You'll see it. I mean, it'll be on my Instagram. So, and so I was just like, you know what, you've been thinking about this for a while. Let's like get up and do it. It's already 12 o'clock. So I was like, I'm gonna do that. And like while I'm doing it so that like people can see, I guess, the creative process of making things like that happen. Because I feel like people think that like making like really like, I don't know, like making content is just like, oh, I just chose to go outside and threw this on and put it together. Like, no, it's a certain, like, you got to do like certain things. Like things have to be set up right. You have to have the right area, which I don't. So I have to manipulate the area that I'm in to make it look like the image that I have in my head. So this will be fun. So I'm basically going to show you guys like how I get that done and how I go about doing, like getting my outfit together, even though I already have the idea in my head. I probably should have drawn it out, which is what I'm doing a lot now. I'm drawing out my ideas, and I did my nails, by the way. I see that. I finally did them. I'm so happy. Like, yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. And then I also wanted to show you guys how I do my Instagram stories, like how I make my Instagram stories, like the ones that are more like aesthetic, those. Yeah, because I was getting some questions, some, of course not many, but I was getting some questions on like how I do it. So I was just gonna basically share that in this whole video. It might be part 2, part 3, like certain things, because this is, again, a very long process. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I do this one boomerang. It's kind of like a photo shoot. Get ready with me, I guess. Okay, first of all, I know they look too small. I know it, but they fit. Okay, all right. I'm wondering if I want to add heels or not, because it's not like you can see them first, because it's gonna be just like upper thigh to like the head, like my hair. So you know, I wish I had like some brown pants, but then I'm like, I don't know any brown pants that would that's weird, but I don't know like of any brown or tan pant that I would be able to wear that doesn't make me look nude first. Oh yeah, the other hand is still blue because I haven't finished. That doesn't make me look nude, and it's not like an awkward brown, because I have like not a tan. I don't really have a tan, but I have a tan because duh. But I also, I don't know, I don't like brown. And the brown that I have is not a good brown. Like if I had like let me show you the type of brown. Like, okay. So this is the purse I'm wearing. Not in the picture, but this is the purse. Oh my God. This is the purse I'm wearing. That was awkward. That was real bougie like. This is the purse I'm wearing. It's Steve Madden. And I'm like, I love this color. This is a nice color. Like if I had a pant like this, but then look at it on my skin. Nude. I will look nude. Oh yeah, you guys. I also made these. I don't know if I want to wear them with this because of the type of vibe I'm trying to give. It's not this type of vibe. Like it's not, like this is more so the vibe for my next picture idea that I have, which is very vacation, okay? Very vacation. I wish I would have kept these nails just for it, because these nails I wanted for this picture, but this hand. So what I'm probably gonna do, very ratchet, like before I do my nails, so like I do this in a lot of pictures, like you guys don't know this. So if I have one, because I always end up like this, like one hand is done one way and one hand is done the other way, or is about to be, you know. But so I like only post with this picture. Like I'll take, like if I'm taking a picture of my face, I'll do this. So you can know I have hands, like, and I use them. So it's not just like, it's like this. And then I'm just like, or whatever, you know. And then for another picture, I'll do this. Or whatever with my other hand that I wanted, because this one's more aesthetic. Because this was more of, this is more vacation mood to me. And this is more, like when I wear basic outfits, I want bomb nails, bomb jewelry, everything. Like I don't want nothing basic if I'm wearing a basic outfit, because that's just what I do. So like I'll do a basic outfit like how I'm showing you guys, and then I'll put on a black heel with it. Not in real life, but like if y'all could see my whole outfit, that's what it would be. Okay, you guys, so I'm putting y'all on here. I'm sorry if you hear my nails clacking on everything. Okay, so I want to do like a simple makeup look. So yeah, I'm also filming for, I also will film for that other, I'm not going to show you guys the makeup look, but I'm just going to talk and then get into it. And then y'all see what's happening, but you're not going to, I'm not going to talk about it because it's just not, you know, this isn't a tutorial, okay? Ripping this off my head. But no, I'm also filming for Instagram, like, not for Instagram, I wish. I'm filming for my Instagram story hacks video today too. Plus that other photo shoot, Instagram photo shoot thing. Okay, you guys, I have y'all in vertical because I'm getting ready to take the picture. So, like, my background on the floor is a mess. But y'all only, in the picture, gonna see this, okay? So, we don't care. So, I'm gonna take a boomerang, and then I'm gonna get out the way. Cool. Not going with the vibe. This is kind of not what I envisioned it to be. But I'm going to put you guys on screen record. You might not even be able to hear me talk, but I might put some like little music while y'all see how I do the boomerang. So yeah. You got it. You got it, girl. You got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting in you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not excited. Flew the coupe 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it.